Hello everyone, we have another unboxing for you. So we'll see what this one is. I'm just covering, there's a lot of information that's in here, so I will cover it up. But rest assured, it is a legit unboxing because all unboxing that I do is something that I either bought in the auction and uh, and uh, bought in the auction and won in the auction, or sometimes it's offered to me. So yeah, like this one. This one, we'll see what this one is. Oh, it's very hard to. So it's well wrapped. I, I always buy coins in this seller, and always secured. Always have a nice wrapping and courier delivered. So oh wow, it's a mission. It's a mission doing the unboxing. But all right, we'll see what this one is. So here we go. All right. Oh, here you go. After all this wrapping, it's all uh, all wrapped up for these little gems. I'll say little gems, of course, because they truly are little gems, as you can see. So these coins are very old coins. I won it in an auction. I fought hard for this. There's some buyers that are bidding very hard for this, but yeah, I did manage to get this one. I think the bidder is from Indonesia, and these are Indonesian coin, as in very old Indonesian coins, like 1700s, as I believe. So yeah, this one, eh? This the Netherlands is in these coins, VOC. As you can see, 1733. I believe the what they hold on when the values do it. One do it. Very nice. 1733. Netherlands East Indies. It was a colony of Netherlands years ago. So this one is also BOC. Very old, this one. I hope I get the thing right. It's very hard to see. 1787. I have to use a microscope for this one, eh? Here we go. 1787, is it? I think so. 1787, I think it is an old one with different designs. See, and some letterings on the edge. Very nice. Very nice old coin. And a few more. So what's this one? This one is 1727, 1787. Another old one. One do it from Netherlands East Indies, or now what we call Indonesia. Very nice. See this little one. Oops, very hard to get. Okay, here we go. Another nice design. That's their the coat of arms, and it is from 1851. Wow, it's an old one. 1851. Very nice. Very nice, eh? Truly very old. And this one is 1737. Wow. So these are copper coins. Very nice. Netherlands East Indies, now Indonesia. And this one is from 1737. Nice. And last one. Last one was this one. This one looks good. 1788. See, very nice. 1788. See the coat of arms. Very nice. Very cool coins. So you can see. All awesome. Awesome coins. So it is from Indonesia, from the era of the Netherlands East Indies, when they were a colony of Netherlands. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.